Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add background music and sound effects in VN Video Editor. So adding background music and sound effects in VN is pretty simple, and through this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide. So what you need to do is just open the VN Video Editor app and then just create a new project or open an existing one. If you want to open a new project, you can click on the plus icon, but here I'm going to just use the existing project. Click on it or open the project, and now to start adding the music, you can just tap the music icon in here at the top, and then here you can choose to select music from the VN music library or effects, or record your own voice. So to add let's start by adding music. You can just tap on music options in here. You can search for from the VN library, or you can also use your own music from your library. I'm going to just add one from VN. Let's just add random. Okay, I'm going to just click on this one. You can tap on it to download the music first, and then after that just tap on add or plus icon, tap on use. Here you can trim cut the music to fit your videos, and also add some fade in or fade out, and adjust the volume or adjust the loudness using the volume slider like this. And you can just tap on a check icon, and that's it. The music background will be added. And to add sound effects, you can just tap on the music again and click on effects, and here you can just choose from the VN's built-in sound effects. For example, I'm going to just go with this fast switch. Let's add this one, fast zing. You can adjust the duration and also the position of the sound effect, and after that you can just adjust the and fine tune the audio. You can layer multiple audio tracks just like this. So I layer sound effects and also music, because VN allow you to add multiple audio layers. And you can also sync audio with video. You can just drag the audio clips to align them with specific video moments, just like this, for example. And if needed, you can tap on the video clip and go to volume and reduce it to 0. And now you can just export your video. You can just tap on this arrow up to save your videos to album. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.